welcome to one of the oldest rivalries in college football. Stick with us as we'll take you behind the scenes through the 2015 Palmetto Bowl.
Are you ready for Carolina football today for the 113th time and the second longest consecutive played rivalry in college football? It's Carolina versus Clemson.
Let's have a big Carolina round of applause in recognition of these seniors and their families.
You're the team I think you are. The team is prepared through the course of this season. You've all got the self-motivation inside of you. Channel it and bring it out and make it one.
Ladies and gentlemen, today's halftime will feature a special combined performance by the Carolina and Clemson bands. We are SC Strong!
With just 1 second to go. Fry trying it with the left foot going left side, and that'll do it. Clemson, the #1 team in the country, comes to Williams-Brice Stadium and they get a big scare, but they win it 37-32.